My question: why is communication an important job requirement? Why is communication an important career requirement? Why is communication an important life requirement? Why is
Sir,
communication important in your life?
can I try?
Please try.
Yeah, this is a Pawan.
Pavan.
So, communication in a job very important for the to communicate to transfer our idea and feelings to their our seniors and like a
Excellent.
boss.
Very
Yeah,
good.
and in our life, like a small baby to communicate their parents, then
Hmm.
they are something they are hungry, they are pain something. This is the communication for everyone, not only baby. This is young
Beautiful.
and also old person.
Excellent.
That's why we can say communication is the most important. This is like oxygen of our body.
Wow. Wow. Excellent. Yes, Kingston.
Yes, sir. We cannot share our thought without communication.
True. Absolutely right. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Who else? Yes. Anybody else?
Sir, communication is important because sir, if I don't have good types of communication, we can't just like express our ideas and express our emotions to each other, and
Beautiful.
we can't get just like higher promotion in any organization. If I am not
Excellent.
explaining anything to in front of anyone, then that is not good communication for me.
So you guys are all very, very good at this. Very nice. I'm so happy that you've been able to understand this. Who else? Anybody else?
Yeah, may I, sir?
Please.
Yeah, this is Anup Misra. Communication is a primary responsibility in many careers, sir. Such as if we in any job careers, then communication is so important for me,
Hmm.
and financial services also. And we can say in everyday life, without communicate, we can't gain anything.
Beautiful. Excellent. So, boys and girls, I made a small diagram for you, which I will now share with you so that we understand why communication is so important. See, this is your success framework, which I tried to create for you. At the bottom, what is it? Communicate like a leader.
Leader.
Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
This is what we
Yes,
also
sir.
shared in the
Yes, sir.
class in the beginning. You remember that day?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So let's look at this.
Yes, sir.
So, how do you get success and how do you undertake various job roles? You do it, and while doing it, what happens? You are communicating all the time. You are able to build a network. Why is networking important? Who will tell me? Why is networking important?
Sir, without network, we can't to connect to each other, sir.
Beautiful. And dear, if you don't network, you not work. It's like not working. If you're not networking, you're not working. So you've got to network. That's very important. That's how you
Net.
get things done in life. You understand? So you build a network through communication. You are able to sell well. What is selling well? Everybody is a salesman, salesperson. Everybody. It's not somebody who goes out to sell something is a salesperson. Everyone from the chairman to the chaprasi of a company is a salesperson. We should all learn to sell. Then you learn to lead and then you learn to win. And as you are there in a job, you grow with the job. And how do you grow?
Basically.
Absolutely. This is something, if you are not doing it every day as a student, then there's a huge problem. If you don't do this as a professional every day, it's a huge problem. And in everything that you do, all these activities that I've listed here, building a network, selling, leading a team, winning, it may be winning a customer, winning a contract, winning otherwise, you need communication for each of these things. Without communication, you cannot have any of these things. You understand? Can you see the screen now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So, see, a manager is also an intellectual. And as an intellectual, you have to get and give inputs every day. You get inputs from people, you give inputs, and communication becomes your most important, most valuable asset. In many careers, it's a primary responsibility: marketing, sales, public relations, human resources, customer relations, financial services, teaching. Communication is a primary requirement. See, yeah, yesterday was Sunday. Day before yesterday, some of our students, 6 of our students, they went for an interview in a company called Extra Marks. Have you heard of this company, Extra Marks?
Yes, sir.
You've heard of it?
Yes, sir.
Extra Marks is an ed tech company. They are providing educational products to various schools, colleges, and probably individuals as well. Which is the biggest ed tech company in the country and probably in the world also one of the biggest?
Byju's.
Byju's. It's become so valuable and it's one of the biggest edtech companies. So, Extra Marks. So, on Friday, I got together with 6 of these students and we were talking about their upcoming 2 rounds of interviews. Before that, they had been through 3 rounds already. So, 2 more rounds were planned. And what was planned in those 2 rounds? The first round was going to be, this job description was of somebody called Inside Sales Executive. And the first interview that they were to undertake on Saturday was a telephonic round. And what was this round to test? What were they going to test? Tell me.
Communication skills.
Whether they are able to convince people. So communication skills is a very generalized thing, but when they say inside sales executive, then they have some very specific things they want to test. So one of the things is they want to test whether you have a good command over communication and you are able to speak smoothly over a given subject. One. Two, are you able to convince people? So for these 2 things, I tried to prepare them. And then their next round was another round, which was going to be by video conferencing. We are right now video conferencing. We are seeing each other and we are talking. But most of the time, while you are selling, what are you doing these days? You're on a call. You're not seeing each other. You are speaking.
On call.
Telecalling, yes.
Yes. Communicate.
Communicating over a telephone line. And when you're communicating over a telephone line, you cannot see the person you're talking to, the person cannot see you. Your voice has to do everything. The power of your logic, of what you say, that has to do everything. So just imagine this is the primary requirement for you in that job role. So there are many job roles where communication would play the most important part. All right. So let's see. Now, if you're an accounting person, then you would be presenting your financial reports, you would be explaining your financial reports, you'll be going for meetings where there would be planning being done, a lot of things. So, for you also who are working on your desktop or laptop all the time, working with figures, facts, you're creating reports, working with softwares, you too have to come up and communicate. So, everybody's got to communicate and everybody's got to learn. See, the other day I gave you the example of somebody who's a regional manager who's looking for a branch head and who has 5 6 very good prospects. So the best person for the job would be differentiated from the others through one of the things which is called ability to communicate. That is one of the primary things. I would look at your abilities, I would look at your experience, I would look at everything else, and then I would say, who's the best communicator of the lot? Because that person has got a chance of making a bigger impact on the market. So I would try to choose that person. All right, so 60 to 90% of a manager's day goes in speaking, writing, listening, even reading mails, etc. So this is one of the most important things. Without it, you are sunk. You understand? Without good communication skills, you are sunk. Sunk. What is the meaning of sunk? SUNK. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Gaurav Kumar, what is the meaning of sunk? SUNK. Nobody knows?
No, sir.
What? Tell me.
No, sir. No, sir. I
Oh
don't
my
know.
God.
And it's Bodura. To not be able to cope up with the in the
अरे
market.
भैया संक का मतलब बता दो मुझे. संक
Sir, may I? Sir,
Sitting down.
डूब जाना.
डूब जाना.
डूब जा. सर मैंने बोला डूब जाना.
डूबना,
जी जी जी. So डूब जाना भाई. two types of डूब जाना.
Yes.
ठीक है. एक डूब जाना आपकी नाव का डूब जाना, वो गलत है. तो you'll be sunk in that way. दूसरा किसी चीज में डूब जाना मतलब उसमें खो जाना.
Sir, I mean stuck up in a problem, huge
हाँ जी.
problem.
हाँ जी.
Stuck up in a huge problem.
Yeah, sunk is going down because of the problem.
Falling down.
Yeah.
So आप अपने कम्युनिकेशन में इतना डूब जाइए कि आपका करियर डूबने से बच जाए. ठीक है. सो हमें कम्युनिकेशन में इतना अच्छी तरह डूब जाना है कि करियर को डूबने से बचाना है. सो किसी न किसी चीज को तो डूबना है. या आप डूबेंगे इसमें या आपका करियर डूबेगा. क्या चाहते हैं? करियर को डुबाना चाहते हैं या खुद डूबना चाहते हैं? खुद डूबना चाहते हैं. आप सभी लोग इतने अच्छे बच्चे हैं.
खुद डूबना चाहते हैं.
खुशी हो रही है आप सभी से मिलके.